messing over here trying to get YouTube to collaborate with me on their platform. But I think we finally got it. There was a goal that I did see. There was a goal that we did see. Nice shot, Sean. Good work out there. That has tied the game up. So effectively, we are here doing just, you know, being here. That is all good. All right. Mayo looking to take it up, being challenged by Darren. Giving it to Tony. Tony meeting Mayo at the middle. Looks like Darren's going to pick it up. He's going to push it around to Sean, and a little bit of a whiff there. Wow, dude. Now you hustle. Now you hustle. All right. That was pretty cute.
I was just doing what I got done.
Yeah, I get it. I get it. At least Tony recognizes it.
What did he do? Did he check Sean?
No, Sean did something. It took him off his bike, but then he just like stared at the ref until he got the call, and then he fucking booked. Once he got the call, he ran. Love to see it.
Just stared at the ref.
All right, we gotta stay out of the rain today. Folks, once again, YouTube has been kind of a pain. Also, the rain has been painful. Got into my charging port. All right. I mean, he's pretty under Sean's bike there. Never a good thing to have your body all caught up in your biz. I mean, uh-oh. You know when you see a ref run, somebody's in trouble.
Oh, he's going to talk to... The ref is talking to Fred. The ref is going to talk to Fred.
You never want to see anybody talking to Fred. That is...
You're talking to Fred.
Look at this. Two guys figuring it out. I mean, Sean knows what he's got himself into. He knows what the call is going to be. It's going to be fucking wrong guy, you know? Hey! Hey! Sean ain't that bad of the bad guy. Hey! Sean got his call. He knew what he was getting into, though. He knew what he came here to do. There across the...
I saw him look back and smiled a little bit at us. He's like,
yeah, he's like, God damn it. On the internet now, baby.
One time.
Mayo, glad you're safe, buddy. Wow, dude. He said the team, not the ball. That counts. That was good. I liked it. Hey, I'm just a guy yelling. Don't look at me, Mark. Jesus Christ. Hey, Joe, we need your help over here, you know?
He don't want no part of this. He don't want no part. He's in California right now, brother. In his mind, he's back in Cali.
Yo. All right, I think that's a 2. We got 2-1. Sean taking a big shot, it going directly into the goal. They looked at me like I knew what I was talking about for a second. Bunch of fucking idiots. And once I realized that they were looking at me, I definitely told them I have no clue what I'm talking about. Stop looking at me. And they did, you know?
Never look again.
Oh, yeah, right, dude. The next time someone yells confidently, they're going to look in my fucking direction. And, hey, nice. way to stop a game from getting too boring. Uh-oh. God damn. All right, Sean pushing around. Sean making a shot. Tony blocking it at the very last second. All right. Sean didn't fucking touch him.
Like, he got the smirk. Tony has the smirk.
No, I could take a... To the motherfucking... What's his name go and get smokes?
Jake.
Did Jake go to get smokes? I bet Jake has some Marlboro Reds, man.
He's in.
Oh, god damn it. Zyn is like the tobacco-free smoke. It's just chewing tobacco, yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
I mean, it's not. It's like something else. It's like
pouch.
it's just a pouch. You
I think
just
it's nicotine.
yeah, dude. No, you gotta fucking
You're gonna do it.
just let's die from it. I'm just kidding. I don't want to die. I'm gonna live forever. This fucking
You need that skull cut.
yeah, right.
Go, you have 10 seconds to be ready. Let's go. Mosquito, you have 7, 6.
Wow, dude, that was the longest 3 seconds in my fucking life.
What happened? You got a penalty for cussing at him? Yeah.
No, I think it was.
Because of
Wow, dude, that's art, bro.
All right. Mosquito, you have 7 seconds.
All right, so we got a 45 over there for some form of contact. Elijah with the big one. You know, I do have to say, Darren and the Mosquito men have been very effective at penalty kills today, and this little moment does not look like it's going to be an exception. Holy fuck! I'm gonna give that shit up. All right, it ain't. Oh, dude, watch Darren get a fucking goal right now. Nope. And that ball's back in the corner. 8, 7, 6. What an effective penalty kill by the Mosquito men. They talking to me earlier. They were thinking they wanted to change their image. They might go with the Ticks. But you know, I think you hold on to the Mosquito as long as you can. JK, it's we have fun out here, you know. Darren coming up with the ball. Looks like he's going to be waiting for doing some sort of trickery right there. Gets around Elijah and has a shot. Mayo blocks it with their tire. I thought that was pretty cool. Tony pushes it around, doesn't get there, but goddamn does touch the ball at the very last second. Love to see it. Love to see it. Elijah wanted to shoot at his own goal, did it incorrectly. Jake is in there, embedded deeply. Pass back to Darren, being challenged by Elijah. Wow, nice shot. Good block. Uh-oh. Getting a little windy up here. All right, Tony. Uh-oh. Ooh. Well, I wonder how secure this whole tent is.
you say it like that.
Yeah. All right, Darren coming up with it, being challenged by, you know, shooting the ball off the court. Oh. You know, one of the. Got a flyby by Jake right there. Love to see it.
Potentially for the loss. Maybe for releasing Davis. Because
Interesting little fake, but mostly just kind of looked like it was a little bit of a pause right there.
Yeah.
Little zero angle right there. Looks good. Good to me. You know, there's not a huge score discrepancy right here. We got a full ass fucking game to go. Not gonna really sneak one in on that little. Ooh. We got some action right over here. It's a dab central. You'd think this was a fucking weed shop with. I got nothing. I don't know. A dab pun is kind of tough.
Buds around?
Yeah, it's some.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you.
Nice. Oh, it does find the bottom bracket, but it goes across the line. Tony, the reach, big shot, big wide. Would have been. Oh, Will with the big shot goes behind the goal. Tony picks it up. Tony touch, just keep taking a sec. Pass up to Mayo. Mayo collects it. I think that one went in there. We're going to have to count that as a goal, Darren.
We don't have to.
I think they're gonna. I think they did it. We don't have to. You're right. We don't have to do anything.
Yeah, we can debate it.
Yeah, I think we're gonna agree that it's a goal, though. I think the refs did.
Give it to them.
They did look at me.
We'll get to it.
Yeah.
Confirmation.
Yeah, we'll give you that one, Darren. Good goal. It counts. All right, they're calling a timeout. I think they got a little.
That's the point now.
Yeah. What is the point of all of this? You're right. Hey, Bird, can I give you your shit back? I don't know why I'm with this fucking soda pop. I feel bad. I feel like responsible for it. It's like a full ass drink.
You're one of your
Cigarette butts.
many good qualities, but also some would say is that you're a nice guy.
Because they're wrong. They're dumb. They're dumb dickheads. Why would they think that?
Diego's team plays the winner of the game. But after that, the winner of the next game plays the next.
We got 10 seconds left on this here timeout. 3-1 game. Hey, ref staff, what's the time limit on the game? Hi. What time is the game? 7 minutes and 60 seconds. Let's go. 7:60. Got it. Two of the finest woodworkers at this tournament right across the way from us right there, our reffing staff. All right, we are back in the fucking game here. Elijah, Carol, Tony, Mayo taking a rest. If you leave Mayo on the counter, you know, it'll, big shot, big block, right into the wheel. Carol does the thing. Goes right in front of the goal, and Darren comes up with it. Darren's looking to put some mustard on this. Fucking finds Jake open. Open decides to take mercy on them. A little bit of pity. Puts it. Made the sound, but that's not a goal, baby. Darren coming up with it. Elijah hustling. A little drop to Jake. Jake knows what to do with this shit. This time, not going to be like last time. He passes it to Darren instead. Darren puts it in the back corner. Tony was going to block it anyways. Darren calling for it, or Jake calling for it home. He decides to shoot it. Jake, let's fucking go, Jake. Kind of, even if Jake was on the bad guys team, we love Jake. Jake's a good vibe.
Jake's a people's champ.
Yeah, he's a very good bike polo player. Nice. Good advantage control right there. Holy fuck. Someone read all the rules before they learned how to break them. Pushes it back over into the corner right there. Gets it out. Langdon with the shot. Gets Tony'd right there. All right, that's what happens when you pull out the wheel. We're gonna back it off right here. All right. Hopefully, maybe we can get another timeout, fellas and ma'am. People's champ right here, considering what he's going to do after he scores this next goal, what his lack of celebration is going to be. I think it's going to be great. I love watching Jake score goals. No offense, guy. Carol? Oh. What is going on here? Darren taking it up, and a big shot, and a big goal. Let's fucking go. Sorry, I feel like someone should clap for them. My hands are full, though, fellas. Nice shooting, Darren. Good job out there. Should have passed it to Jake, but that's okay. Really hope they don't take this too seriously. All right. Uh-oh. Get the fuck out of here, water. Wow, that's fucking inappropriate, dog. Fucking gross out here. I mean the weather, that is. Can we fucking work correctly, please? Fucking thing. I'm sorry, folks. It's kind of like I'm in my artistic... This thing does not like what I'm putting it through today. Where is the ball? Elijah has the ball over there. Nice little pass over to Carol. Carol stops it. Big shot, big block by Darren. Goes into the corner. Elijah picks it up, pushes it behind the goal where Tony touches it. Nice little centering pass. Nice job. They did okay. God, dude, I gotta say it must suck to have I always love that when you're playing against someone you don't like, and they get clapped for, and then you score a goal, you do something sick, and they don't say anything for you. Yeah, it's pretty fucking whack, y'all.
Haters. All the haters.
Let's score another goal. Let's get a hattie, baby.
Let's go, Mosquito.
That's what I would have done. Give it to Jake.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, maybe next time. Better luck next time.
Good luck next time.
Hey, Mike, what's your middle name? Do I know it? I think I know what your middle name is. I think his middle name's my first name. All right, well, I know what I'm going to ask him next time when he walks by. It's his last four of his social. Just, let's see if we can get him. We're gonna hack Mike today. It's okay, Jake. You're only letting down your fans. Holy shit, are you serious? All right. Nice turn. Woo! Carol pushing that over there. What's up, Danielle? Tony touch. A little perp. Uh-oh. Woo! Oh my God, that was pretty.
I'm in that spot. I'm on that side.
I have to say, hey, I just got that same helmet. Interesting. That was a fucking dangerous ass play right there. Carol shoots it. It goes directly into. Carol, I've never said a bad word about you, and I never will. Uh-oh. That was a good job, Carol. I liked how you just you drew that foul right there. I loved it. Well, dude, we did a lot of work to get to the last 45 seconds of the game. Sean coming out, pushing around Mayo, goes the one-way, shoots it. It does not go in because Carol just blocked the ever-living heck out of that. Good job, Carol. Tony, god damn. Sometimes you see what it takes, and I just know I don't have it. 2. Holy fuck, are we okay, my guy? All right, that looks like the game.